guys, and Austin back with another video, and today we're doing a review on this Goldify putty and this indorapter open close mouth safe to use chin strap safety and just open this indorapter mask that opens and closes. We're starting off with the indorapter. It looks a lot like it. Teeth cool. I don't suggest putting your hand in it. It does actually hurt. And it has a nice area for your chin. And that's how it moves. It's really simple. Just a jaw, just ball joint there. Has safe areas for the eyes so you don't bump your eyes. My freezer is broken. Freezer is not broken, but it's just doing weird stuff. We have the protector, the little plastic squishy protector nailed in there. Really quite simple. This is adjustable. This is adjustable. They're all really adjustable, and it looks a lot like it, and it feels. There's texture. It's really cool, and I like the way the teeth go together. It's really cool. And now, the Goldify putty. It's really cool. It's not sticky whatsoever, and it bounces. So, it's kind of hard to get out of it. But once you got it down on the ground, once you got your thumb, push, and once you got your thumb there, just kind of rip it off. And it just comes off real easy. So you just rip a little bit off to show you. It's really stretchy. And yeah, bounces. Let's get this roll into a ball. Might not bounce this much, but it bounces. Boom. And it's really easy in this Goldify brain putty, and it is super cool. Here's the back for information you might want to know about it. And finally, it's really cool. If I can get it out, it bounces. Yeah, it's hard, really hard to get out. So, once you have your finger down, I'm just going to try to get a big ball. So it's clear, it's really easy to mold, it stretches, snaps. Snaps is kind of hard to snap, it's really hard to move, but that's just it. It's not sticky. It actually is bouncy if you just get it in a ball. Ball bounces real good. It's really easy. Let's see if you can see this. It's really cool. And there you have it. Subscribe, like, and make sure to comment on the video. Bye!